Hi guys, welcome to Grow Wealth. My name is Nevu. Today I'll be telling you I'm giving you a trading strategy that will enable you to trade the stock markets even with a full-time job. Before I get started, I would like to thank you all for likes that I've been getting, the subscriptions. I'm very grateful. We've surpassed 100 subscribers in less than a week. So let's get started. So the rationale behind this is that's okay. Before we'll go there, now what we'll be trading is Nasdaq 100. Nasdaq 100 is the 100 most traded stocks on Nasdaq exchange. Nasdaq exchange is a stock exchange in the US. So we have Nasdaq, we have New York Stock Exchange, and some other stock exchanges. So here, the software I'm also using here is called Tradingview. I'm going to add the link to it. So there is a free version and a paid version. Everything I'm going to say here, I can do it with the free version, right? But if you want to unlock some more features, you have to subscribe to the paid version. I'm using the pro version. So let's get started. The first thing you do when you open Tradingview, that's Tradingview, you search for NAD, that's Nasdaq. Search for Nasdaq. Close up this. Now, the rationale behind this is that the stock market has been on a massive uptrend. Nasdaq has been on a massive uptrend. So what we'll do is to ride this uptrend and try and make some money. So to do this, remember you search for Nasdaq. Now you change the time frame to 4 hours. When you change it to 4 hours, because you are using a blank chart, you click here indicators, search for moving average exponential. So you click this moving average exponential, close it. You come to settings, change the length to 50. You come to style. I'd like to make it red, and then the thickness, I'll increase the thickness. Then you zoom. So the whole idea is that we have to wait for the price of Nasdaq 100 to touch the 50 moving exponential average and then close above it. Let me give instance of what I'm saying now. So to enter, I'm going to use the replay feature. If you're using a free version, you may not get this. But even if you're using a free version, what you can do is to move it like this and then use the arrow keys on your laptop to move the chart forward. So currently we are trading below 50 moving exponential average. So I'll wait for a close above. Now price has closed above this. I'll do a buy entry. My target, I'll exit at 10%. I'll leave it. So my price target has been met. So I will now sell here. at this price. I will have to wait again for the price to touch the 50 moving exponential average and close above it. I'll sell at 10%. I'll sell here. So remember that this from January 20, so start in 2020, around December 2020. So for the January, we've made 10%. Next 10% will be here. Then I'll wait for it to touch the 50 moving exponential average. Play it. I'm close above. So it's close above it here. I'll buy. And I'm selling at 10%. That's 30%. I'll wait for it, the price to touch and a close above. So it touched and we had a close above. So basically, you could have entered here because the price touched it and closed above it. That's the 50 moving exponential average. If you notice, I'm not using a stop loss because the stock market has been on a massive uptrend, so it always comes back to where it is. So it may take time. 10%. Okay. So basically, this is the fourth second. Okay, this is the third trade. Then we'll have entered under trade here. So we'll have entered this trade. And we'll have sold here. Basically, this year we'll have made 40% using this strategy. What I also want to add that some of you may be wondering that does it work all the time? The truth is that there's no trading strategy that works all the time, right? But this works almost all the time. Where it will not work is the only difference that it will not work is that it may take a longer time. So, for instance, let's look at this March 2020 during the COVID dump. Remember, I said you allow it to drop below the 50 moving average. So let's say we bought here. It will have taken us a very long time. 10%. So it will have taken us 439 days for us to achieve our profit targets. And also our portfolio will have been down by almost 37%. Yeah, this strategy worked, right? But the drop down was that much. So basically, even if your portfolio drops, you will not sell. You just have to wait it out using this strategy. Or you can also decide, okay, maybe 10% you sell. But remember that before I started, I showed you that stock market has been on a massive uptrend. And the price has recovered major correction. This correction 2006, the price went above it, even this one in 2007. So that's basically the strategy. For some of you that may be wondering, where can I trade this Nasdaq 100? You can trade it using Chaka. So I'm going to also leave a link for you to use and download the app. I'm using my referral link. If you use it, you get some bonus, and I also get some bonus. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in our next video. Bye.